How are you?
Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon. I am doing well, and I am elated, ecstatic in front of you again. Really,
Oh, yes, yes.
yes, because
Really.
you give me that chance to speak in front of you, because it is my opinion that facing the camera and by the conversation, I improve myself in this language journey. So thank you so much. It's my pleasure. I talk in. I have the session with you. Really.
Thank you. You're welcome. And always you are welcome. And really, I'm also very happy to having you here. Really, it is my pleasure. And we are for you, all we YouTuber for you. Whenever everyone who's struggling with the English and those who are learning English, we are here for the conversation and the other help because our motto is this. All the YouTubers motto only to for upload the content that is very wise, very worthwhile for the English learner. So it is a good that you have interact with me again. So it is very delight for me also, and I'm happy to having you here. Thank you. And
Yes.
yes, and just give a introduction. Even though we are familiar each other very much, but for the audience, just give a short introduction, ma'am.
Yes, before get the ball rolling, I want to say another thing. In the morning, I was not feeling that much energetic, but in front of you, I am full of
Oh,
beans and supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
oh my God.
Yes, and going to my little intro. So, as you know, my name is Banita. I am from Odisha. Born and raised up in Odisha. And about my qualification, I have completed MA twice, B.Ed and CTET qualified. I'm a homemaker, and another thing want to say, homemakers are the nation builders.
Yeah,
Really,
of course.
yes.
Of course. Very true,
So
very true.
I am the proud. That's why I feel proud, and I'm blessed with two children. They are grown up. So, and there are so many hobbies, but nowadays I am give much time to learn this language, because English language is very necessary, and I think by anyhow I get fluent in this language journey. So I practice with my co-learner. Really, that's pretty much about me.
Really, really, you are absolutely said right. That homemaker is not less than one only. Homemaker is not less than a queen. So we can't say that it is very. They are playing significant role.
Yes.
So we can't say that they are nothing. They are like a queen, and
Yes.
they are home organizer, and they are right. They are good for our nation builder.
Yes.
We can say these are nation builder.
Builders.
Very true,
Yes.
very true. And I resonate with you, and because I am also a woman.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Real. We
So
proud ourselves because we manage all things. As well as when I was also working for a while, but that time also I manage home, caring of children and other things. So you also manage a lot. So that's why we have that potential and quality caliber to manage everything. It is
you
God's blessing to us, every homemakers. Yes.
many women doing a lot of work. They are juggling so many works. They are wearing so many hats. So it's not an easy job. We
Yes.
should respect each other. When women respect women, definitely the every man respect women.
Yes.
Yeah.
And it helps to grow our society as well as nation also. Really.
Nationals. Very nice, man. Very nice. Very true.
Yes.
Now
Yes.
my turn. I'm an Ilam Dhingra. I am from Delhi. I had done my graduation, master, B.Ed. Now this time I'm a professional, I'm an English teacher. And if I talk about my hobbies, I'm a mainly fine person. I'm very much in music and avid reader, and I am content writer also. And you know that I am a YouTuber, and our motto to upload English content for the English learner. And now these days I have started taking spoken English classes like beginner for the beginners. So this is
Okay,
my new addition.
great, great.
So that's nutshell introduction from my side.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
you are
Eh,
very yes, ma'am. Yes,
yes, ma'am. Yes,
carry on.
again I want to say that we both are the gregarious and friendly nature. So whenever I connect with you, I feel very comfortable and share my thoughts openly.
Wow. Likewise, ma'am. Likewise, I've also after connecting you, I feel myself motivated and like full of beans. It's
Yes,
really, it's really. So really, we connected each other, and we definitely had, we will have good conversation both for both us, which is good for the both of us, and as well as our English learner.
yes, really.
So, ma'am, you said me earlier that now this time you want to discuss a beautiful any topic which is really good for the everyone. Like
Yes,
you usually do lot of many conversation. You have interact so many YouTubers. So now this time you want little bit new things,
yes,
little bit new change. It's
yes,
a good thing that we should always not go for the same, because if we want to improve our English, we should take new topics, sometimes conversation, sometimes randomly. So every time only go for, if we go for the conversation, then it is not worthwhile for the good for the English, because we are in this language. So definitely we should new words. We should
yes,
learn new words, and
yes,
if we are interact with the new and new words, definitely it will while listening can be stored in our mind. I appreciate your topic and your opinion, man. Thank you. And your topic is very also very important and very vital, because of this era. You said me that the water, you want to discuss about water, and
yes.
really water is not a like it's
Small
very
topic.
important topic. It's not a
Yes,
small topic. Yes.
yes,
So if we think that water is a really very important and precious thing for
yes,
everyone.
really, really.
So yes, ma'am. What's your opinion? Just your standpoint on the water. Really, very. I will be happy to hear, and very glad and very agog to listen. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, I totally agree with you. Water is very precious for us. Among the natural resources, water plays a significant role in our life. So, water we can nowadays situation changed. So sometimes we in future, some geographers said that we will face the water scarcity. So we should use properly in water. Even we can't think without water. So when we wake up in daily routine, first we take the glass of water first. It
Yes.
is we start our day really. So water is, we should take care of this natural resource properly. So in daily routine we are washing, cooking, bathing every day, washing clothes, cleaning rooms, mopping everything we use water. So but uh, and by the water also we get, sorry, from rivers, some many natural ground level waters also available we get. So in this water we are doing so many things, and it is also we are generate electricity as well. by reservoirs, by saving the water. So this is very helpful to us. 70% of water, we get 70% water on the earth, but only 3% fresh water, that is only applicable to drink. Otherwise we ocean waters are very salty. We sometimes we are also make the salt from that. So that was water also, day by day it reduced in our ground level. And uh, due to the change of season cycle, rivers are dried. So so we should protect the water unnecessarily. We should stop unnecessary use of water. Simple things, we turning off the tap when it is not used. And um, and and that we are wasting polluted, and our motive is to stop the water pollution. The industry wastes also, we are floating in rivers. We should, how can we uh, recycle
Recycle.
stop the water pollution. It is in our hand. We should, by technology, using of technology, we should, how can we stop that. And in our main, the holy river Ganga, we know there are, nowadays they are polluted. The dead bodies also they
What is
floated
also the
because of moksha. Our in belief, Hindu believes that if we are floating that there. So in this way water polluted. Ground level water also decreased day by day because of constructing uh, buildings, factories. So that's why it affected also to reduce our water day by day. So without water we can't imagine our life. So we should take care of it. It is beautiful natural resource. So how can we handle this? It is up to us. Because our population also day by day increased. It may be like 150 million nowadays. So it is up to us. Our government also takes step to save the water. In our city in Odisha, I feel proud that Puri is the first city that 24-hour water supply available. 24 hour. So, though we are getting that water, we should use properly. So, what is your opinion, ma'am?
Fantastic. Your opinion is very, very worthwhile and very important, because it is very precious to us. We should conserve the water. It's very neat and
Conserve the water. Yes.
of
Yes.
the water. And because in future, if we are not getting care of the water, like we are sometimes we don't take care of the water, definitely we will feel face the music.
Ah, yes.
So,
That's the music. Yes, really.
there's so many points where we can save the water, we can conserve the water. Like we should first of all we start from the our family. We can't say we can't impose the other person for the water wasting. First
Yes.
of all, we meant our way. There's a lot of person. If I talk about me, if I talk about you, and there's a lot of many person who are wasting the water. They
Yes.
don't even know that the what is the importance of the water. Still, they are not caring about it. Even the good person, we can't say about the illiterate person. We talk about even the we can say even to the educated person. They know still they are not taking care of the water, but definitely if you not take care, it will be very drastic situation we have to face in future. So it's
Yes.
very precious. It is very vital things, very imperative things that we should care the water. We could I can say we should respect the water. So first of all, we start from our homes. We should mend our way. We start the education. Start the teach the first of all children also as well. First,
Yes.
men our way. Secondly, we should teach the children also. Even though we sometimes while brushing, we should not, we forget to turn off the tap.
Yes,
And sometimes the water flow and it's wasting.
unnecessarily. Yes,
No,
our tank is
wasting.
empty. Yes,
We should
that's
take care. We should immediately turn off the tap when when it is not in use. Secondly, we can here to very many points where can mend our ways. We can where we can view ourselves first. Like this is the first, and second, we should conserve the water, rainwater, because this rainwater can be used for the plants.
yes.
Like,
Water. I want to say actually, water is life, and we count drop of water. As I totally resonate with you, if we are not saving water, we should face the music.
yeah,
And another word, another thing I want to say, we will be in hot water in
yes,
future
yes. We bring
because
what
of lack of water. Yes.
definitely, when there is scarcity of the water in future, definitely we can say that we are in hot water
Yes,
as, as well.
really. And actually, I also see many where um, people, we should not waste the water as government gives 24 hour to us the water supply water. So it is our responsibility to how to use. We don't use like wasting, always we setting the pipe and waste it only, like washing, unnecessarily washing the vehicles. And watering plants is very necessary, but always it is yes. I have the plenty of water, so whatever I want I waste. Thousand of liter also some persons are not properly used, I see in my quarters, in other thing. So I also, but in my house, it I we the family members very cautious about to save the water, really. And recently I washed 2 or 3 bucket of water, cloths, 2 or 3. That time was no doubt washing machine, but in the afternoon I washed. So first I removed the washed clothes, and remain clothes I also add other clothes, then I wash, because I fear if tank water tank empty, so how can I in the evening manage. So
Mhm.
in this way all clothes is cleaned, and some that mats, foot mats are also cleaned, and I feel happy. Yes, I save the water. So it is up to us how we choose the way to save the. And when we use clean the utensils, we on the tap, and it is first we clean the utensils, then we on the switch on the tap, but we already on switch on the tap, so it is wasting of water. And when we brush, doing brushing our teeth, that time also we switch on the tap, so it is not good, wasting of water unnecessarily. So it is a good resource, so it is a less quantity of nowadays in the earth, on the earth, so we should aware of it. And we should save it for our future generation as well. It is our duty, really.
Really, absolutely right, ma'am. Really, I am concurred with your point that we should save water for our next generation. Very important. Even though very less people who are respect the water, because water is life.
Yes.
There is no bond. There is no bond. That water is life. We should take care of it. You just said that me you get worried for your water tank when you are washing the clothes. Immediately you got worried because of your water tank and could be empty.
Yes.
If there is water tank is empty, so if there is water in the
In
uh,
reality, what we do?
in the earth, there is water. If there is no water on the earth, then what will would be happen? We can
Yes,
think. We think twice. Thrice.
really,
Very
yes,
important because it will going to happen. It will going to happen. If you're not taking the care, and already we have
faces so many
waste of
problems.
water, and we should take care. Like we start from the our homes. Very less people like you just said that you very much be cautious about their families also very important. Take the care of the water. They don't waste the water. This very nice thing, and we should take lesson to each other, and we should start uh, give that this is the simple teaching which should be give the first of all ourselves and then to our children, because they also do same thing when we do the things, they do same thing, they imitate us, they imitate us. So that's
Yes,
the reason we should take care. First of all, we should start from ourselves. We should not tap on the water when there is no need. Secondly, we should plant the native plants. There is very less water.
yes,
The requirements very less
consume.
water. With
Yes,
the less water, they can bloom
grow.
and they can grow, no
Yes,
doubt. So
yes,
thirdly, we can collect the water, rainwater. We can collect the rainwater, and this rainwater can be used for the water, car washing, vehicle washing, and the plants.
exactly, ma'am.
Now,
I forget that rainwater harvesting is very necessary. Really, it is the exact point. Really, naturally, we should don't waste that rainwater and some sloping also there. We are when we collect the water by the tubs, like it is, and use it properly by watering plants. Yes, I totally resonate with by washing cars. Really, it is the good point.
and second, and next, I want to say that there is now technology has started very new technology. Faucet means there is so many news tabs which gives only very less flow water flow, less
Yes,
water. If you start, even though they only provide the very less water flow.
the minimum water what we
There is
require.
new water
Yes,
because there's a new technology and there is a lot of washing machine also there. Now we can get the new washing machine where need very less water. They are
yes,
only prepared, they are only this is the technology, and they are manufactured by the people engineers because of to less to conserve the water. For the
yes,
conserve the water, we should follow these things. And there's lot of many things if we go for, but we should start instead of talking. No?
yes,
Action is more good than the word. So
yes.
we should start, and it's a very good point to have you have chosen the very nice topic. It's very impressive, very tedious, and very wide. Really, I appreciate for your choosing the topic, ma'am, because we should also and with as well as other person, we should. It's not a bad thing. It's a good thing if we teach someone, if we teach someone about the word, because it is very important for everyone, not for them, uh, instead of their next generation also.
Yes,
So this is the good thing, ma'am, and really is very vital point and very standpoint. Very, I can say this the purposeful point you have just described, and really, I also going to grab it and follow it.
yes. From
And
children to adult, all are follow this. And one thing, simple thing, in summer we need only water, not like other thing. Sometimes without food, we drink the water many liters above 2 or 3 liter water. It is necessary because we dehydrate, we are sweating, so it is very. And but that summer season we are also facing so many water scarcity because rivers are dry. So far from people are going in rural areas and taking water. So because of this, so we should know ever about that. Without water, how we can survive? Really.
nice, ma'am. Really, it's very good conversation. and as well as it's good for the English learner also, because it's a good topic with full
Yes.
of good vocabulary. And I
Yes.
hope everybody follow these tips, naturally have the some good points and use follow them. So really, I appreciate and really thankful to you giving good topic, choosing good topic, and secondly, accept my request.
Yes, ma'am. I am also very delighted. I am the in the part of this conversation, and I can say it is very candid and splendid conversation.
Yes, yes, insightful also, because very important also.
Yes.
Really, okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Okay.